Hi, hello. Today I have a makeup look using the Coloured Rain Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette. I think this is a new palette. I bought it off Beauty Bay on sale, and yeah, this look is inspired by an artist on Instagram, Rocio Ceja. Sorry if I'm butchering that, but she is an amazing artist on Instagram. This is the look. I'll link her Instagram in the description box below, and also with all the products that I used will be listed and linked down below as well. Yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so my hair is a mess, right. Anyway, today I am going to be using the Coloured Rain Vivid Pigments and Shadows palette. This is an absolutely gorgeous palette. It looks like this. It has lots of bright shades. As you can see, there's quite a lot of like similar shades, but they're all different in their own way. They are mostly matte, which is nice. This one down here is a little bit shimmery, but other than that, they are matte and they are very pigmented as well, which I love. Eyelashes just don't want to stick to my face, like honestly. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take the P. Louise base in the shade 0. And I'm just going to pop that on the lid. And I'm going to take a flat concealer brush and blend that out. I'm not going to set the base. I'm first going to take the shade Sauce, which is the red shade, on a Morphe M433 brush. This shade is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot. Then I'm going to take the shade Bossed Up on a Zoeva 224 brush, and I'm just going to apply that next to that red shade. I really need to talk more in my videos, but I never know what to talk about. I just like getting things done, you know, but I do want to start talking to you guys, and that was my phone, letting you know some stuff. Maybe I'll do a Q&A one day. Then on a blank canvas E10 brush, I'm going to take this shade Drip Drop and again put that next to the purple shade. I love this brush, it's very precise and like a small brush. It makes such a difference when you pat the shadow on first and then go in and blend it out after, because it just adds a little bit more pigmentation to the eyeshadows. Just a little hint for you guys. Then on the same blank canvas E10 brush, I'm going to take the shade Level Up, which is the green shade, and put that in the inner corner. I'm going to start blending them edges out, which doesn't take long at all with these shades, which is very nice. Then on a Morphe M506 brush, I'm going to take Party Drip, which is the bright neon pink, and I'm going to put that on the outer part of my eye above the red. I am blending them quite high as well because I want the colours to pop and be high, like so. But now we're going to cut the crease. So I'm going to take the P. Louise base again on the same flat brush. I'm going to build up the colour on the brush. Now I'm going to take the yellow, which is called Lemon Drop, on a Morphe M1501 brush, and I'm going to place that where we just cut the crease.
Take my hand and we'll go away to a different place, float on air and we'll hide away. I'll be your escape. Look.
Okay, so after that, my hair is a mess. Stay. Then I'm gonna take the shade Splash, which is a nice neon orange shade, and I'm gonna put that next to it.
Just levitate.
Then I'm just going to blend a little bit of that red again on the outer corner, like so. Okay, so that is pretty much the eyeshadow on the top done. Now I'm going to line my lash line with a liquid liner, black liquid liner. I'm also going to add some black in my upper waterline. Then I'm going to take the Marc Jacobs Highliner Matte Gel Eye Crayon in the shade Popular, which is a nice pink. Love these, they're so pigmented. So I'm going to put that in the lower part of my eye. Now, the lashes I'm going to go in with are the Tatty Lashes in TL9. And I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm going to apply the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Okay, so for primer today, I'm going to be taking the NYX Honeydew Me Up primer. This is a very like gloopy consistency, like honey, believe it or not. I love the smell of this. It smells lovely. Okay, so I'm going to blend that out with a dual fibre brush. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm going to be taking the NYX Can't Start Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade Light, which might be a little bit too light for me. So I'm just going to blend that everywhere. Yeah, it's way too light. Okay, so then for concealer, an oldie but a goodie, I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is in the shade Fair Neutral. So I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so to set that white pasty face into place, I'm going to take the Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. This is the mattifying one. And then for the rest of the face, I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte in the shade 005 Silky Beige, just to give some life back to my skin. Okay, so to bring a bit of life into my face, I'm going to take a bronzer. This is the MUA Bronze Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Solar #110. I'm going to take this on a big brush. This is the Morphe M527 brush. So then for blush, I'm going to take the Milani Baked Blush in Luminoso, of course, what else? I'm going to set my face using the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in the vanilla and coconut scent. Oh, I love the smell of that. Then for highlight, I'm going to go in with one of my favourites. It's the Mary Luminizer. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to do the lower lash line. So first I'm going to take the red and I'm just going to buff that and join it with the upper lash line, upper eyeshadow. I think I'm just going to put the red under here. So then for the inner corner, I'm going to take the highlight we used. I'm going to spritz the brush because I just prefer to do that. And I'm going to pat that on. Then I'm going to add some lower lash mascara. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to use the MAC lip liner in Strip Down, which is a nice nude shade. For liquid lipstick, I'm going to take the Ofra Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Bel Air, which is a nice like pinky nude, peachy nude. Now I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I did enjoy creating it. If you did enjoy it, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did, just to let me know what people think and get an idea of what I should do on my channel. I really like the colourful looks, so yeah, there's a lot of that on my channel, hopefully coming soon. Yeah, I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.